here at the old Hobbs mansion, Eastport, Maine. Before pictures, we are remodeling this, bringing the old Hobbs mansion back to life. There's been a lot of interest from the community. Everybody's very excited about it. Hi. We are not. We are just remodeling it.
Exciting though.
Yes.
Grass is getting cut?
Yes.
Oh my God, that's wonderful.
Yes, we're bringing it back to life.
So they've actually, they own it now, the new owners own it.
Yes.
Oh, congratulations to them.
Thank you. And that was one of the community members. We're very happy about it. All the trees with ribbons are getting cut. The lawn is getting cut. Looks like a jungle. So we'll do part 2 in an hour or two. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit like. It really help us out.